Today we are making a delicious breakfast burrito recipe. Ingredients: 2 large flour tortillas, 4 scrambled eggs, half a cup cooked breakfast sausage, half a cup shredded cheese cheddar, a 1/4 cup diced bell pepper, a 1/4 cup diced onion, a 1/4 cup diced tomato, 2 tablespoons salsa, 1 tablespoon chopped cilantro, salt and pepper to taste. Optional sour cream or hot sauce. Instructions: cook sausage in a pan until browned, breaking into small pieces. In a separate pan, scramble eggs and set aside. Add diced bell pepper, onion, and tomato to the same pan and cook until tender. Warm tortillas in pan for 20 to 30 seconds. Assemble burritos by filling tortillas with scrambled eggs, cheese, and vegetables. Top with salsa, cilantro, and optional toppings. Fold bottom edge up, then sides, and roll into a tight cylinder. Nutrition: per serving. Calories 420. Protein 26 g. Fat 22 g. Saturated fat 8 g. Carbohydrates 30 g. Fiber 4 g. Tips and variations: use leftover cooked ingredients for convenience. Add diced bacon or cooked vegetables. Experiment with different cheeses or salsas. Here is the nutrition information for a breakfast burrito. Typical breakfast burrito: small 350 to 450 calories. Medium 500 to 650 calories. Large 750 to 900 calories. Breakfast burrito with specific fillings: eggs, cheese, sausage, and veggies 550 to 700 calories. Eggs, cheese, bacon, and veggies 500 to 650 calories. Eggs, cheese, black beans, and veggies 400 to 550 calories. Eggs, cheese, steak, and veggies 700 to 850 calories. Fast food chain breakfast burritos: Taco Bell breakfast burrito 340 to 420 calories. McDonald's breakfast burrito 300 to 400 calories. Chipotle breakfast burrito 325 to 425 calories. Homemade breakfast burrito: 2 scrambled eggs 140 calories. A 1/4 cup shredded cheese 100 calories. A 1/4 cup cooked sausage 100 calories. 1 tablespoon salsa 5 calories. Tortilla 100 to 150 calories. Total approximately 565 to 720 calories.